Enter the world of Vision AI tech, where artificial intelligence is not just the future, it's transforming the present. We're revolutionizing businesses across industries by making AI technology accessible, user-friendly, and powerful. Our mission is to empower industries with AI solutions, leading innovation and fostering a collaborative environment. At Vision AI Tech, we're not just changing businesses, we're shaping the future of how industries operate. Our philosophy centers on excellence, innovation, and a client-focused approach. We're committed to delivering high-quality solutions tailored to your unique needs. When you partner with us, you benefit from custom-made AI solutions, quick responses, flexible pricing, 24-hour support, and a quick turnaround time, ensuring your business stays ahead. Our comprehensive suite of services includes AI consulting, systems architecture, AI integration adoption, unmanned aerial vehicle services, business intelligence development, data engineering, warehousing cloud computing, application mobile web development, systems engineering, software integration, control room SOC services, automation training, AI simulations, and e-learning platforms. We're here to streamline your processes and unlock new opportunities with smart automation. At Vision AI Tech, we stand by our unwavering commitment to expertise, quality, and innovation. Our agile and adaptable approach, combined with continuous improvement and learning, means we're always ready to face your challenges head-on. Discover the power of AI with Vision AI Tech. Visit our website to explore how we can transform your business with cutting-edge artificial intelligence solutions. Let's shape the future together. Vision AI Tech, empowering innovation, transforming industries.